Well, first of all, knowing that there is going to be some stress in school and that it's completely normal can be really healthy because we don't want to have stress about stress. We have to remember that stress happens when we're growing. Just like when we lift a very heavy weight at the gym and our muscles start to shake, that's stress, and that's how we know the muscle is actually growing. So we don't want to have stress about stress. So, with that said, it is really helpful to plan ahead with your calendar. So, that syllabus that you get at the beginning of the semester tells you the due dates of a lot of papers. It tells you when exams are going to happen and those kinds of things. So, I would suggest going ahead to mark your calendar for those events and then even blocking off in advance some study days that you can plot, you know that you're going to need, and some working on paper days and things like that so that you don't find yourself in a time crunch. Another thing that can be helpful to manage that stress from school is to actually plan decompress times to occur after those big exams or after those big papers are due. So that way you know in advance that after this exam occurs, I am getting on a bus and going to my favorite yoga retreat, for example. And so knowing in advance that you have this outlet planned and you're looking forward to it gives you that reassurance that even though there's a lot of stress, you're practicing really good self-care. That in itself can be a stress reliever, in addition to the actual benefit of whatever self-care that you have planned.